I have a demonstration here of a variable RC circuit. It's a series RC circuit. I have a power supply here that's giving out a square wave that's acting like an opening and closing switch. It's set at 53 kilohertz and the voltage is about 5 or 6 volts. I have here a variable capacitor which I can increase or decrease the capacitance by rotating this knob here. I have a variable resistor, a potentiometer, which I can increase or decrease the resistance here. And if you look on the oscilloscope, there's ground and there's the charging time there, which I can vary with changing C, or I can vary with changing R. And this oscilloscope, in order to display it in a classroom, needs a VGA to HDMI upscaler on the back of it, which also needs a USB 5-volt power source in order to connect this and display it in the class. This is the demo of the RC